In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a tourist site on WP Travel Engine for 2025. First, let's start with installing WordPress. Whether you want to host it on WP Engine or any other web host, the choice is yours. WordPress is the foundation of your site, the building block that will support all your travel content. Once it's installed, the next step is to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control panel where you'll manage all aspects of your new site. Now, we need to enhance your WordPress installation with some added functionality specifically tailored for travel and tourism. Go to your plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in WP Travel Engine. This plugin is going to be the heart of your online travel service, which helps manage trip listings, bookings, and payments. Click Install Now, and once that's done, activate the plugin. Now, with the plugin installed and activated, we're going to customize some of the core settings. Navigate to the settings of WP Travel Engine and set up your currency, payment options, and booking settings. These are crucial steps that allow you to handle transactions and provide a seamless experience for your users. Next, it's time to dive into creating trips. Navigate to WP Travel Engine in your dashboard and click on Trips and then Add New Trip. Here, you'll be able to craft your trip offerings in detail. Start by adding a trip title, something catchy and descriptive to grab your potential traveler's attention. Then, input your itinerary, which should outline the day-to-day plan for the trip, ensuring it's as informative and enticing as possible. Don't forget to add in visuals under the gallery section, as eye-catching photos can speak louder than words. Finally, include pricing and any other details that you think are relevant to make the trip appealing and transparent to your audience. With your trip details set up, you'll need some pages on your site. Go to Pages, click Add New, and name your page. You might call it All Tours or Destinations to give an overview of what you offer. On this page, you'll want to input a shortcode to display your trips. Click Add Shortcode and select WP Travel Engine Trips. This is what will allow the trips you've added to showcase beautifully on your new page. Once you have your trips and pages set up, it's time to publish them. This will make them live and accessible for your viewers to explore. Head over to the Appearance section, specifically menus, and add these new trip pages to your website's navigation menu. This makes it easy for visitors to navigate and find the travel deals they're interested in. Finally, customize your homepage. Go to Appearance and then Customize, where you can align everything beautifully with your theme settings. This customization is important because it lets you create an inviting first impression and enhances user experience, ultimately setting your site apart from the rest. And there you have it, your tourist site is up and running on WP Travel Engine, ready to capture the wanderlust of travelers from all over.